everyone, this is Marissa from Motor City Spindle Repair, and today we're going to talk about the common issues with CNC machines.
Incorrect programming. If a CNC machine is programmed incorrectly, it can cause issues such as cutting at the wrong depth, cutting at the wrong angle, or cutting the wrong shape. Wear and tear. Over time, the moving parts of the CNC machine can wear down, which can cause problems such as decreased accuracy, increased vibration, or even component failure. Electrical problems. Electrical issues can occur in the CNC machine's wiring or power supply, causing problems such as circuit board failure, motor failure, or communication issues between components. Lubrication problems. If the CNC machine is not properly lubricated, it can cause increased friction and wear on the machine's moving parts, which can lead to decreased accuracy and component failure. Tool wear. The cutting tools used in the CNC machine can wear down over time, which can cause issues such as decreased accuracy, rough surface finishes, or even component failure. Environmental factors. Environmental factors such as temperature, humidity, and dust can affect the performance of a CNC machine, causing problems such as decreased accuracy, increased wear and tear, and component failure. Regular maintenance and proper usage of CNC machines can help prevent these issues and ensure optimal performance.